No one knows what it's like to be the bad man, to be the sad man behind blue eyes. No one knows what it's like to be hated, to be faded, to telling only lies. But my dreams, they are as empty as my conscience seems to be. I have hours only lonely. My love is vengeance that's never free. No one knows what it's like to feel these feelings like I do, and I blame you. No one bites back at the heart of their anger. None of my pain and woe can show through. As my conscience seems to be, I have hours only lonely. My love is vengeance that's never when my fist clenches, well, crack it open before I use it, lose my cool. When I smile, well, tell me some bad news before I laugh and act like a fool. Well, if I swallow, let in the evil, put your finger down my throat. If I shiver, please give me a blanket, keep me warm and let me wear you cold. What it's like to be the bad man, to be the sad man behind blue eyes.